So in this video, we will learn how to create the bar charts. We were using the hotel rating dataset as example to illustrate how to create the bar chart. Based on the previous lecture, we already created our frequency distribution, and the bar chart will be created based on the frequency distribution. First, look at column C. So the column C gives us the general classes for this example, and column E gives us the frequency. So we will use the column C, the different classes, as our horizontal axis, and the frequency, the column E, as our vertical axis. However, you can find there is a blank column D, so what should we do? So the way we will do is delete that column. So now we have the classes and the frequency next to each other. So the next step, what we will do is find the Insert tab in your Excel. So once you find Insert tab, there is one area called Charts. And in the chart area, and there is one place, one icon look like the column chart called Insert Column Chart. So select Insert Column Chart. Now you have different options, 2D, 3D, or more column chart. So we choose 2D. So now you will have the working sheet, the chart area, but nothing here. So what you need to do is first looking at there is a tab called Chart Tools after you select the chart. Now here we have Select Data. So first click Select Data. So once you click Select Data, they will ask you for legend entry and horizontal. First you click Add. So the series name is the frequency, so which is our vertical axis, and the series value is from 14 to 187. And after you select them, click OK. And now you should find the chart area showing the bar chart, but the label for the horizontal axis is not completed. So now we want to find the name, or we want to find the horizontal axis label. So what we will do is first find the Edit on the horizontal axis label and click the Edit. So now it allows you to select the label. So first click this little icon. After you click it, allow you to select any area on your Excel file. And then now move the mouse to the 4 categories: terrible, poor, average, very good, excellent. And the left click your mouse and select all the classes. And after you select all the classes, release your mouse and move the mouse to the little icon again and click OK. So now you can look at your graph again. So everything is what you want. So now you can click OK. So now we create our frequency distribution. Now you think the gap maybe is too large. So what you can do is select the rectangle and very fast left click your mouse. So now you will have Format Data Point option showing up. Now if you look at the series options, we have series overlap gap width. So the gap width is 119%, which means it's 219%, which means it's 219% wider than the width of the rectangle. So you can reduce it based on your own preference. I don't like too big gap. So let's say 75% of my rectangle width. So now we finish editing. And some of you want to change the outlook of this frequency distribution. So what you can do is go to the style area. So first you can choose the background. And also you can choose the fillings, orange, or green. So actually, sometime when I start to teach statistics, I always tell my student, if you are really enjoying the statistics, you can be a really good artist in statistics. So have fun with the frequency distribution and bar chart. In next video, we will talk about how to create a pie chart.